The mortal remains of the 9 brave hearts who were buried alive by the avalanche in Siachen on the 3rd of this month reached New Delhi today. The bodies were airlifted to the national capital from Leh after wreath laying. The Indian Army on Saturday had successfully managed to move the mortal remains from Siachen to the base camp there. With the weather continuing to be extremely adverse, the bodies were moved to the military hospital in Hundar for embalming and custody. In Delhi, Army Chief General Dalbir Singh, Air Force Chief Air Marshal Arup Raha, Vice Chief of Navy Vice Admiral P. Murugesan and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and others paid their last respects at Parliament Airport. The bodies of the 9 martyrs are being transported to their hometowns. The martyrs are Subedar Nagesh, Havildar Elumalai, Lance Havildar S. Kumar, Lance Naik Sadish, Sepoy Mahesh, Sepoy Ganeshan, Sepoy Ram Murthy, Sepoy Mushtaq Ahmed and Sepoy Suryavanshi. The lone survivor of the Siachen Glacier, Lance Naik Hanuman Thappa Kopat, passed away on Thursday after almost a week-long battle. Our correspondent Nandita Dagar filed this report on the Siachen martyrs' mortal remains arriving in Delhi today.
The mortal remains of the 9 martyrs of Siachen today arrived from Leh via an Air Force flight of C-130J Hercules, and today they were laid here at the Palam Technical Area where the Army Chief, the Navy Chief, the Air Force Chief, the Delhi Chief Minister and the Minister of State for Defence paid their homages to these 9 soldiers. From here the bodies will go to Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore and Trivandrum where they by an AN-32 flight of the Indian Air Force, and from there they will go to their respective native villages and towns. They have all served and volunteered for very hostile terrains and very risky environments like Operation Rakshak in Jammu and Kashmir, which is a counter-terrorist operation, and they've also, most of them have served in Operation Rhino in Assam, which is a counter-terrorist and counter-insurgency operation in Assam. So all these soldiers, known for their jovial, cheerful nature, well liked by all their colleagues. With camera person RK in New Delhi, this is Nandita Dagar for DD News.